The Galaxy S24 series is expected to be unveiled by Samsung in or around mid-January 2024. So far, all sources indicate that the phones will include gradual enhancements over their predecessors, which should add up to a better user experience. Samsung is projected to equip their 2024 flagship phones with a slew of AI technologies, including a lot more RAM, since LLMA big language models need a lot of system memory to work efficiently. However, a fresh revelation indicates that this may not be the case. The Galaxy S24 series will reportedly ship with the same amount of RAM as the Galaxy S23, according to leaker Ice Universe. As a result, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus might ship with 8GB of RAM, with larger capacity models of the Plus model reportedly having 12GB of RAM packed. The extra RAM will come in handy since rumors suggest that the S24 Plus will be upgrading to a higher resolution QHD plus AML LED panel. It looks that Samsung plans to offer the basic Galaxy S24 Extreme with 8GB RAM in some markets. There will be a 12GB RAM option, but the company does not seem to intend on releasing a 16GB RAM configuration, as previously speculated. Samsung's choice to reduce the amount of RAM on the Galaxy S24 series may be related to the increasing cost of DRAM and memory chips. In the next months, their costs are likely to grow by another 20% to 30%. Due to Apple not raising the price of the iPhone 15 Pro this year, the Korean conglomerate may have been compelled to cut the RAM on the Galaxy S24 in order to keep production costs under control. Samsung is unlikely to increase the S24's retail price as well. A greater price would have given the company more leeway in equipping their 2024 flagships with additional system memory. The company may have also requested that its plans offer the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 2TB storage, since such models often ship with additional RAM. The finest tiny Android phones have 8GB of RAM, which is more than adequate for everyday usage. Only time will tell how the 8GB RAM Galaxy S24 chip will perform. Next year, Samsung plans to release the Galaxy S24 series a few weeks sooner than normal. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.